Hello and welcome to WPKlik's YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss a very common issue, and that is the low upload size limit. This is an issue that may occur as you install a WordPress theme or when you want to upload a larger file. If it happens that you bump into a wall of this kind, you'll be happy to hear there are a few workarounds you can use. The first thing to do is to check your maximum upload size limit. This information is shown when you want to upload media content such as images or video. Simply click on Media and then on Add New. The maximum allowed upload size will be shown automatically. Now, if this limit is not enough for you, you should try inserting a code into the theme's file called functions.php. Once you access this file, try adding the following code, which you can also find in the article in the description to this video. If this doesn't work, you can try and enter the root folder of your WordPress site using the FTP or file manager in the cPanel dashboard of your hosting account. In case you're using shared hosting, there's a chance you won't be able to see the PHP ini file in your directory. In this case, simply create your own file and name it PHP ini. Upload it to the WordPress root folder and then insert the following code. If none of this worked, there is the third method you can try. Again, access your root folder and edit your htaccess file, adding the following code. Bear in mind that the effectiveness of these methods may depend on the type of hosting you're using. If they don't work, try contacting your hosting provider and asking them to increase your maximum file upload size for you. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more information on this topic, check out the description and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.